Top 10 Filipino inventions and discoveries. The Philippines has produced numerous innovative inventions and discoveries that made significant impacts locally and globally. These creations highlight the ingenuity and resourcefulness of Filipino scientists, engineers, and inventors across various fields and medicine and technology to agriculture and everyday household items. Bamboo incubator. Invented by Dr. Fidel Mundo in 1941, this low-cost electricity-free incubator used bamboo baskets and hot water bottles to regulate newborns' body temperature, benefiting rural communities. Designed in 1941, the incubator consisted of two bamboo baskets of different sizes, one placed inside the other with hot water bottles positioned between them to regulate temperature. Banana ketchup, created by food technologist Maria Rosa Ligan during World War II. This condiment uses banana as a base and serves as a vital food source during shortages. She also smuggled nutrients into POW camps, saving lives. The sing-along system. It was originally developed as a teaching device for students at Trebel School of Music and later refashioned for amateur and recreational use. The system was a portable multi-purpose cabinet that included an amplifier, speaker, one or two tape mechanisms, an optional tuner or radio, and a microphone mixer with voice-enhancing features like echo and reverb to simulate studio or opera hall sound. Mango flowering spray developed by national scientist Ramon Barba. This potassium nitrate base allows mango trees to flower out of season, doubling or tripling production to ensuring year-round supply. The modern yo-yo. The modern yo-yo is commonly associated with Pedro Flores, a Filipino immigrant who played a pivotal role in popularizing the toy in United States in 1928. While the yo-yo has ancient roots with evidence of similar toys in Greek and Philippine cultures, Flores introduced a key innovation, a loop string around the axle instead of a knot, which allowed the yo-yo to slip or spin freely, enabling advanced tricks like walking the dog or rock the baby. Erythromycin. Erythromycin, also known by the brand name Ilocin, is a powerful antibiotic discovered in 1949 by Dr. Abelardo Aguilar, a Filipino physician and scientist. Erythromycin became especially important because of its alternate antibiotic for patients allergic to penicillin. It is used to treat infections such as respiratory infections, skin infections, and sexual transmitted infections. Gas stove made of coconut shells. The gas stove made from coconut shells is an eco-friendly invention that uses coconut shells or husk to produce fuel gas for cooking. Instead of using LPG or charcoal, the coconut shells are heated in a controlled way to create reducer gas. This invention is credited to Dr. Axel T. Belonio, a Filipino scientist and inventor from Iloilo. He is well known for developing biomass gasifier stoves, including those that use coconut shells, rice husks, and other agricultural waste. The modernized jeepney. The modernized jeepney is an improved version of the traditional jeepney, redesigned to be safer, more comfortable, and environmental friendly. The modernized jeepney is a Filipino innovation that upgrades the iconic jeepney to meet the modern safety, comfort, and environmental standards while still preserving the role in Philippine public transportation. Solar window, a sustainable solar panel developed by Carvi Erin Mague, a BS Electrical Engineering student at Mapua University, which converts crop waste into electricity by harnessing UV lights. It won the Global Sustainability Prize at the James Dyson Award in 2020. The video phone. The video phone is a communication device that allows people to see and talk to each other at the same time, similar to today's video calls. The video phone was invented by Dr. Gregorio Y. Zara, a Filipino engineer, physicist, and a national scientist. In 1955, Dr. Zara developed a two-way telephone, an early version of the modern video call technology. Dr. Zara's invention could transmit both voice and moving images over a distance.